Hi, Ron Crouch here with a little painting tip. I love cheap brushes, but unfortunately, that sort of thing happens. And especially when you're painting or they get loose, whatever, here's a quick way of taking care of that all you need is a little Gorilla Glue. I'll show you what to do. So Gorilla Glue is a great product. It's water activated, and the way it works is you spread a little bit on something, wood, what have you, spray a little bit of water on the surface you're going to connect it with, push them together, leave them clamped for an hour or so, read the instructions, and it expands, and once it hardens, it's a very, very strong weld. So what I do, take my brush, take my Gorilla Glue, get a toothpick, and get a little of this stuff. Be real careful though, don't get it on yourself. And put it on the inside of the ferrule. Just kind of rub it around. So you're coating the inside with this stuff. Then take your brush handle, just kind of spritz it a little bit so that you've got water on it. Doesn't need to be a lot, just a little bit. Put it together, wiping off the excess water, and wait for about an hour. It will be strong, it won't wiggle back and forth, and it will never come loose. This brush will survive the ages. Anyway, that's what I do to save old brushes that are starting to come apart. Hope you enjoyed this tip. We'll see you soon. Bye.